Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. How's your Ramadan going? Today I'll be sharing few decorations and preparations I'm doing for Eid. Ramadan days are going so fast, don't you think?
Sorry, I won't take it for a video.
That's alright. Did you need a bag?
Yeah, please.
Sure. Did you want me to run through the how the spray can works?
Painting is one of my most earliest hobbies. Since I was a child, I loved sketching and painting. It was always a calming therapy for me, an escape from the outside world, where it's just me and my imagination. You never know what a white canvas can turn into. This space is where we pray most of the time, and every time I create a new piece of painting, I place it here. So as Ramadan is here and Eid coming up, I thought of decorating this corner with a beautiful mosque door. As we are in the month of Ramadan and Eid is knocking on the door, I felt like a wardrobe organization was mandatory. So here is how I organize my clothes according to colors. I also took out some Asian wear pieces, as during this month I tend to wear a lot of ethnic outfits. So I have put some regular use kurtis and some homeware salwar kameezes here on show. As I wear a hijab, I organize my hijabs according to colors too. Now, just organizing and tidying up the place a little. Hope you like this different side of me. If you do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and stay with me, supporting. Preparing for iftar has always been very special in this house. Trying different iftar recipes, working together, helping each other. Hubby loves getting creative with food during this month. I wish Ramadan could stay longer.